Hello, my name is Colette Nielsen, and my website is called callettphotography.com. This is a website that I use to just display my portfolio, and also I created a blog about photography tips, and then a store so that they can go ahead and book me and know my prices for my photography services. So on the front page, you see that I have my logo in the left-hand corner, which I created. Um, and then I decided to kind of just set up my first page with real people and then their quotes on the right. So you can see that right there. If you scroll down, I have the prices for the sessions and kind of, this is just an eyeball. I don't really have that worked out. And then contact information. So you can automatically contact me to be able to schedule those. And you'll see that I have right here, it shows my Instagram and then just a little bit of a bio about me. And then you can subscribe to my blog like we were supposed to do. At the top, we have the homepage, the blog. This is where I put my photography tips, the portfolio, and then to be able to contact me, you can go ahead and click on this link, and that's the same way that we got here. So it's just super easy to use. And then we have my store. So if we want to go ahead and shop that, we can look at the prints that I'm supposedly selling. And I just have 3 on there that are all different varieties. This probably for me was the hardest to set up just because I didn't know exactly what to do, but it was the most helpful to know. I think I learned the most from this, and also setting up the footer and knowing HTML and how to edit that was extremely difficult for me. This class was super beneficial to learn more about how a website, there's so much that goes into it and so many things that you have to think about, like social media and implementing the different important links and tabs and knowing what pages look good and having a consistent theme with your style. So that is my webpage.